Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today my topic is road sign vocabulary. A traffic sign is a visual display used to convey information or instructions to road users. Typically drivers, pedestrians, cyclists and other travelers. Traffic signs are designed to Number 1. Regulate traffic flow. Number 2. Warn of hazards or conditions. Number 3. Guide travelers along roads. Number 4. Inform of traffic laws and regulations. Enhance safety and orders on roads and highways. Traffic light. One way. Stop here. Speed limit. Construction zone. Railway crossing. Railway crossing unguarded. Zebra crossing. School ahead. Bus zone. Cycle zone. Narrow road ahead left. Narrow road ahead. Narrow road ahead right. Two-way traffic. Airport ahead. Animal zone. Right zigzag bend. Left zigzag bend. Left curve. Right curve. Bumps. Speed breaker. Road closed. No parking. Parking. No automobiles. No trucks. No horn. Man at work. Left turn. Right turn. Crossroads. Rough road ahead. Landslide ahead. No left turn. No entry. No right turn. Drive safely. Accident prone area. End of speed limit. Overtaking prohibited. Steep hill. Narrow bridge. No U-turn. U-turn. Thank you so much for watching my video.